Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Padadandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Bande Radhika Charunodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vansha Kalpataruvasya Kipa Sindhu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavunebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Langhayatagirim Yat Kipatamahang Bande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavan Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvattoi Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadesha Gauriya Patrasya Prakasanecha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varuna Deyam Sada Paribhavagnam Avishtadoham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vitatiham Panutapal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusati Charunarvindam Yat Pada Pallavan Kachandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kamapiga Bhavadu Svadarsi Purnanuragara Susagara Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Karosi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sanketanoikapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambaro dijavaro jugadharma palo Bande jagat priyakaro karuna bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Surasurairabandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha muktin cha dadasi nitam Bhavanurupena sada naranam Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri nirantara vibhushi tapam bhagam Narayano priyamanungo madhaparam Varanasi Puravati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Jushva Vadane Lakshmi Jasya Cha Bhakshasi Jasyasti Hide Sambhi Pam Shingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Jasyasti Bhaktir Bhagavati Akinchana Sarvaguni Satra Samasati Sura Haru Abhaktasya Kuto Mahadguna मनोरथेन सतो धावतो यस्यास्ति भक्तिर्भगवती अकिंचन सर्वगुणैस्तत्र समासते सुरा हरौ अभक्तस्य कुतो महद्गुण मनोरथेन सतो धावतो गौड़ीय गोष्ठीपति Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada Paramahansa Jagadguru said that material people, those who are full of false ego, they always pass remark out of their own intuition, out of their own, logic. This may be applicable in this material world. Gauriya Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that those material people, out of their false ego, going to parks, remark about anything, even about the Aprakriti Jagat. Prabhupada speaking, it is a blunder mistake. While they are standing in the material platform, they like to pass remark something about Aprakriti Jagat. There is a havoc difference, infinity difference. How they can pass remark about it? But they are habituated. It is their intellectuality. They like to speak. They can say yes or no, he is good Vaishnava, he is useless. They can pass. But Prabhupada speaking, who care, man? Who are you? If we are going to give the power of judgment, passing judgment, to such a man who is a demon, what we can expect? We cannot just leave the judgment, divine judgment, into the hand of those demons. That demon can pass remark. He is Vaishnava, he is not Vaishnava, he is good. This is completely wrong, we cannot say. This is impossible. So, Vaishnava chinite nare devaro shakti. Even those demigods, they cannot understand. Who is Vaishnava, who is not, they cannot understand. Demigods, so what? According to their karma fall, they are taking the post of demigod. So, someday you can also take that post, if you want so. The position of Vaishnava is more than Bhagavan. Don't forget this point. Position of Guru Vaishnava is more than Bhagavan. What to speak about demigods? Demigods, they have to come back according to a karma fall. If it is okay, then they can. Otherwise there are two. Abrahma bhuvana loka punaravartinaha Arjuna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, Arjun, right from that Brahma Loka, those who are reaching Brahma Loka. I was discussing in Laghu Bhagavatamrita. When destruction takes place, complete destruction is okay, different. Nitya praloy, Naimittik praloy, Prakritik praloy, Maha praloy, all different kind of destruction. So, that time when all thin lok become agitated, they cannot stay, they move forward, they move up. Janaloka, Mahaloka, Bhurvuvasva, Swarloka, all, they cannot stay. They cannot stay, they cannot suffer there, so they can go up. This way they can go, and Brahma Loka, they can reach according to a karma fall. So it's not so important. Not so important. It is less important for us. If somebody is going to give the post of Brahma, Indra, you take it. I don't need. What you can do? So this way, Abrahma bhuvana loka punaravartina Arjuna. Or cyclic order all coming from down and up. This way, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya writing, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writing, Kabhu Raja, Kabhu Poja, sometime beggar, sometime king, going up and down, according to karma phala. Don't try to play your brain. It is useless. Try to depend upon Guru Vaishnava. Vidyapati, you heard the name of Vidyapati? Chandidas Vidyapati. Mahaprabhu used to hear day and night about their writing. Absolute prem affair of Radha Govinda, not material love affair. They are Vidyapati crying and speaking. Prabhu, according to karma phal, I can go up and down. What I can do? Bhaktivinoda Thakur also speak. Karma vipake gatagati puno puno moti rahu tva prasange. Vidyapati is writing kirtan. Madhavo bahuto minoti korito e. Madhavo bahuto minoti korito e. Karma vipake gatagati puno puno moti rahu tua parasange. Madhavo bahuto minoti korito e. Vidyapati singing. I have my humble request to you, craving request, that okay, according to karma phal, maybe I can go on now. But please allow me this advantage. That wherever I can go, according to a karma phal, I can remember you and your devotees, your topics, nama, I don't like to forget. Always like to remember. Mati rohu tua prasange. You please bless me this way. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also. Pashupoki hoye thaki sarge ba niroye tava bhakti rohu bhakti vinodo hidaya. This way all Mahajan requesting unto Lord Srila Bhagavan. Vaishnava, his position is more than Bhagavan. Bhagavan himself speaking. In that case, we cannot depend upon material people. In the guise of devotee, acharya, or demon, he can pass. He is bad, he is bad. I am good. He is a big sadhu. Who care, man? You are like a, pros. Who care? If somebody give money, some advantage, you can speak. You can subscribe him. That is your position. Who care? A sadhu is always in a neutral platform. A sadhu is always in neutral platform. He cannot apply oil to anybody to get pratishtha. You keep your pratishtha with you. They don't care. This way, they can subscribe here and there. Whereas Gurudev already told, Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, all against, they are against Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Guru Varga. Guru Padma was speaking directly in article, Kesama, everybody. But he is a great sadhu, more than Guru Padma. He is more than Guru Padma. Oh, Guru Padma is a very small devotee. I am great. Because I can indulge in this kind of illicit activities. I am great Vaishnava, na? More than Guru Padma. Mayavadi, Mayavadi, Mayavadi. I touch Chaitanya Bhagavat. Mayavadi. Not devotee. What to speak about Gauriya devotee? Mayavadi there. Totally, complete Mayavadi. I can prove mathematically. If they come, I can prove mathematically that they are Mayavadi, not devotee. Let the world die. Let the whole world die. I have nothing to do. I have not taken any contact from anybody. So that I'll have to, if somebody like to get right information, he can come. Otherwise, go away. Who care, man? Who care? This way, Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, it is written, he is Vaisavatar, Vaisvani division. Originally, Shastra was infinity Shastra in Vaikuntha Jagat. And Vyasadeva coming and going to divide. Because there is no such a great personality who can read, who can know everything. Especially in this Kaligal, if you don't take rice one day, weak. Annagata prana. One time fasting, big problem. So they cannot stay without food, they cannot stay. There is a condition. Very poor condition. Body is full of disease, different kind of disease. If they lead their life in a perfect way, then let me see what kind of disease coming. Guru Vaishnava sometimes manifesting, sometimes Leela is different. This way, actually, big problem all around the world. Who is Vaishnava, who is not, who is speaking what, who is speaking Siddhanta, who is wrong, now confusion. All hodgepodge, hodgepodge. It is written, the Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, he is a Vaisavatar, Vaisadeva, Vaisavatar, he appearing. And not only that, but also with Vyasadeva, one Shakha friend of Krishna coming inside Vrindavan Das Thakur. It is possible. You think how possible? Possible. Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya Vyasadeva, with that, together with that, Kusuma Pida Sakha, one friend, he is entering into Vrindavan Das Thakur. Havoc. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is the last disciple, last servant of Ananta Nityananda Prabhu, Balaram. Is the last disciple. After that, Nityananda disappeared. After some time. He was the last. Now you think, whom Nityananda can accept? Who is he? Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. You will have to grow your enduring power. If you fail to develop your enduring power, then you cannot become Vaishnava. A Vaishnava can show unlimited enduring power, endless. Whatever suffering coming in life, okay, nice, is granted by Bhagavan. No enduring power means you are not Vaishnava, bonded soul. All different attack they can make, all they can speak, all rubbish against you, make some, plotting, everything. They can do it. This is the arrangement of Maya. If you have failure to grow, increase your enduring power, endless. We can see the enduring power inside the heart of Kunti Devi, inside the heart of Draupadi Ma, inside the heart of Sita Devi, inside the heart of Yudhishthira Maharaj, enduring power. Our Parampuja Madhav Goswami Maharaj very often used to give this example. A sadhu can never complain against anybody. Only can complain against himself. Siddhanta Vichar protest is separate. That is you cannot confuse. Siddhanta Vichar wrong, efficacy wrong, character wrong. That is different. Bhaktivinoda you must complain. But personal life they have no. Our most revered our Paramahansa Madhav Goswami very often used to give this law. And also in Chaitanya Chaitamrita, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj speaking. Very nice. Speaking, suppose one piece of gold is there, one gold bar. You have gold bar. That gold bar, if you put into fire, glowing fire, then naturally the property of the gold can take more and more pure. Purification can be done. The more you burn that gold, the more you burn that gold, the more you can expect purity. A life of sadhu, Paramahansa Madhav Goswami used to say, the more you are suffering, all against you. Nobody going to subscribe you. All against you. All making, plotting and all going to, destroy your plan and program. They can try. This way, all against you. The more you can suffer, all opposition from all around can increase your rigidity of bhajan. Rigidity of bhajan. You can increase it. This way, a sadhu, suppose you would like to become sadhu, okay, if somebody can give treatment, bad treatment, you go on suffering, and then you can increase your purity, absolute purity. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Uddhavji Maharaj. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Uddhavji Maharaj. Uddhav, if somebody is speaking all rubbish to you, don't give reply to him. Don't take any revenge to him. Those who are established in this positive world, if you can like to try, you can try today. Those who are pure Vaishnava, those are positive world, they always. If somebody going to make tantra, mantra, all black magic, everything, it can come back to them. You can try. If you apply them, it can come back to them. It cannot touch them, because they are in positive world. They are not in negative world. Any negative mantra, black magic, any conspiracy can go back to them. If they like to kill one Vaishnava, pure Vaishnava, Bhagavan can kill them. Immediately Baladev can kill them. Either disciple can come or plane crash, something can happen. Car accident, something. I am not going to give cars to them. But it is natural. It's quite natural. There is documents there in Vrindavan Das Thakur, you see. All whole society went to Vrindavan. Bhattathari want to take cutter and going to cut Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu just simply saying, you are sannyasi, I am sannyasi. Why you are going to take my man away, my sevak away? They are taking cutter and going to cut Mahaprabhu. Then what happened? Their cutter, they falling on their body, they cut. That Buddhist leader, Buddha Guru I cannot speak, Buddha leader, they wanted to give all filthy, dirty. They make one conspiracy to give one plate of rice and everything to Mahaprabhu. This is prasadam. Oh, give me, prasadam. They are taking. Then what happens? One big bird coming, vulture, taking the plate and go away. And after that plate throw, and Buddhists, in the head of that leader of Buddhists, fall down and eat bread. All disciples crying, save our leader. Countless such examples. Those who are gone against Vaishnava, something can happen. Either somebody, their own man, can kill them by poison or something, accident, something happen. If they are going against Prabhupada, you know the position. Directly complaining, directly speaking to Srila Sridhar Maharaj. Prabhupada already gone against, Shastra, so many things. Sridhar Maharaj, what do you say? What do you say? What do you mean to say? Yes, yes. Prabhupada, all against Shastra. Prabhupada going against Shastra. What is the ultimate result? He had to take poison. Let them give garland. Let them give garland to him. But what is the condition? What is the condition? Those who are all against, somehow they can apply poison, these, that, somehow something can happen. Bhagavan is the protector. Anyway, Bhagavan can protect his devotees. This way, Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Uddhav. If somebody is speaking this way, try to bear. Try to bear. Don't become agitated. Don't become so sentimental. Sentimental, if you become sentimental, emotion, big problem. Positive emotion is good. Negative emotion can push you down and down. What is utility? Who can give value? So Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Uddhavji Maharaj. Uddhav, ati badam titiksheta nava manneta karhichit. If somebody is speaking all rubbish to you, unnecessarily. You have seen all writing, all rubbish against me. They wanted to make me nervous, but they don't know their father, forefather. If they can't, they cannot make me nervous. Because I am situated in my position. You can become nervous. I have no expectation. That's why I am not nervous. I have no expectations from you. I don't need money. If you like to do Prabhupada, that you do. Personally, I don't want. So, who can become nervous? Who has desire, thirsty attitude for Kaligla, Puja, Padesha, money? I am beggar. You leave me with coffin, alone, take clothes. You try not that I am speaking story. You try. I am not speaking, you take all my clothes, everything, I can go up. And make all temple, everything I can do, automatically. Anywhere, not outside, even in India. MP, Maharashtra, anywhere, you leave me, throw. Don't give me identity. I myself is the identity I can give identity of myself. I need not take help from you. I don't need that I don't want you publish. Now preaching means is one kind of advertisement. Many times Prabhupada told. Is one kind of false advertisement. For some uncertain commodity, some company going to speak with a hoarding, everything, our product is so good, our product is... Now this is Guruship. This is preaching. What you are preaching? What you are preaching? What you are speaking? Many times I told you, let me hear what you are speaking. You don't, feel, courage. What you are speaking? What you are speaking? You let me see. It is canvassing. Prabhupada told is canvassing about your own commodity. I am good, I am gay, all useless. This condition. So, the ultimate result of those, antagonists, very painful. Very, very painful. So, Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking, if whole world going against you, Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking all rubbish, you try to bear. Don't give reply. Don't take action against them. Don't try to take any revenge. There should not be any retaliation mood. I can take revenge. Not that. You leave the divine judgment to Allah. I say you solemnly. Everything gone, they steal, they speak lie, let them do. I am calm and quiet. You have seen practically how they engage your hooligan, everything can stop my Harikatha. And Bhagavan can stop you. Bhagavan can stop your movement. This way. So Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is an example, idealism of tolerance. Oh, whole society, Smartha society. All Smartha society against Vrindavan. Why? What is fault? Because he wanted to establish Suddha Bhakti. Simply because he wanted to establish Suddha Bhakti. Nothing else. So all Smartha society wanted to put him in one corner at bay. They all wanted to throw him in one corner. No society, any member of the society not going to make any exchange with him. You in one corner. Your limit is up to this point. Don't go that. But what happens? All throughout this Brahmanda, everybody knowing who is Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. Even demigod, even Brahma, who is Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. He is Vyasadeva. Chaitanya Leelar Vyash, Vrindavan Das. Who declared? The eternal parsas of Srimati Radharani. I mean Jugal Sarkar, Radha Govinda. Kasturi Manjuri, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami declared repeatedly, Vrindavan Das. How I dare to write Chaitanya Leela. I must depend upon Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. He is the Vyasa of Chaitanya Leela. Whatever I can write under his guidance. He is the man. Bhagavan bless me so that I never develop any offense unto his lotus feet. Come on, he is Vyasadeva. I cannot throw him, I cannot ignore him. You know the case. When Siddha Swamipad was ignored by Vallabhacharya, I already told in Hindi Katha yesterday, there, Siddha Swamipad in Bhadrak, after Baleshwar, in the way of Puri, Puri means Nilachal Dham. A train can stop in Baleshwar, at Baleshwar, Bhadrak is the next station, there is one big hill. Top there, Siddha Swamipad used to do bhajan. He doing so much bhajan, Bhagavan was restless. Bhagavan was bound to come in the form of Nishingadev. Wanted to bless him, put his hand on the head of Siddha Swamipad. Whatever you propose to write, whatever you desire to write, whatever shastra you like to realize, all automatically realize. All realize. That's Siddharam. That's why our Guru Varga or shastra writing, Siddharam Vetti Nishinga Prasadat. By the mercy of Nishingadev, Siddha Swamipad having all knowledge of Shastra. He can pass any commentary of any sloka Bhagavatam. Perfect. You cannot memorize. If you memorize, you cannot suffer. If you depend upon Guru Varga, Vaishnava, pray unto the lotus feet, let Shastra can manifest inside my heart or the inner meaning, automatically. If you if you are interested to show your scholarship, then you can come out failure. You like to show your scholarship, oratorship, your excellency. I am knowledgeable. But Mayadevi can provide a big kick and you can throw you in the ocean of Maya. So, you see, humiliation of Vaishnava. If you like to insult Vaishnava, can never be tolerated. You see the condition. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is a Vyasadeva. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami repeatedly, every fraction of second, I pray unto lotus feet Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. So Bhagavan, please bless so that I never develop any offense, never audacity I develop, never. Until Because whatever I know, I by his blessing, is Vyasadeva. This way, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami writing repeatedly, this way writing repeatedly. Now question is that, say Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is the Manjari, Kasturi Manjari of Srimati Radharani. I mean, he is the Sevika of Jugal Sarkar. Right? Whereas Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is Vyasadeva. Now, if you like to make one comparative statement, whose position is higher than whom, is offensive. It is offensive. You cannot make this kind of comparative statement. They all, both of them, is in excellent position according to the vichar of Shastra. We have no right to say that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is position more higher than, cannot make it. This is the main thing. The more you can get bhakti, the more you can develop humbleness. Main thing, you are making mistake here. You think those demons going to express humble attitude externally, you think, Maharaj, they are humble. Because you are idiot number one. Yeah, they are humble, they are speaking so sweetly. Are Maharaj, this is their only weapon. That is the only weapon they are keeping, by the help of which they can cut all the head of all people of the world to collect money position. In Hindi we speak mitha churi, sweet knife. If you make a knife of candy, you make one mold and you can make a candy knife of candy. Mitha churi. Those who are businessmen, they are knowing this. In their blood, red blood corpuscle, white blood corpuscle, everywhere. They are written money, 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 money everywhere. All there, if you search and test their blood corpuscle, white, they are everywhere written money, 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 nothing else. Nothing else. I can challenge. Everywhere written money, money, whole body. Their character, their behavior, everything. They like to destroy the whole devotional world. This is their preaching. Okay. Maybe it is the desire of Nityananda to destroy and reveal, who knows. The more you can develop seva mood, devotional mood, the more you can feel humbleness. I have nothing, I done nothing. I could not do any seva of Bhagavan. I could not do. He has done some seva, I have done. This way humbleness comes. Our Sanatana Goswami Pad in Brihad Bhagavad Gita wanted to establish this point. The more you develop humbleness, that means surely 100% you are developing bhakti. I mean in aprakriti. The more you are developing bhakti, the more you are humbleness. No doubt in it. Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, what is his fault? He wanted to establish Suddha Bhakti. He never wanted to make any compromise. He never wanted to make any compromise with, no. Reconciliation procedure is not allowed in the way of devotional field. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, naturally, he was put in a corner by all whole society. You can see, even those who are against Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, Vyasadeva, those who are against Prabhupada, they are writing volumes of book. So what? Against Prabhupada, they are writing volumes of books. Those who are against Nityananda, those who are against Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, I can show you how many books they have written. And They are writing in the title page, when you open the book, they are written, they are writing, all books, Siddhanta, Vichar, everything, already flourished inside the heart of that writer by the mercy of Gauranga. Written, I can show you, Bengali. You learn Bengali. How many things you can learn? Life is very short. Cooking, sleeping, tired. Vigorous energy you need, vigorous. You'll have to stop all your gate, eyes, ear, all stop and try to preserve your energy. Like government giving advisement, try to preserve water, sweet water. Don't waste. Try to preserve current, electricity. So I would request you try to preserve your body energy. Your leakage is there, eyes, ear, tongue, all leakage. All energy going on. Going outside, leakage. Then you can never feel tired. Whatever in a day, night time 12 o'clock, fresh energy. How possible? Night time 12 o'clock, then fresh like morning time. Never feeling tired. They have some magic spell or what? This way, it is written, they are all going against Vrindavan Dasya. Volumes of book. Volumes of books they are writing. They are writing in the title. These books, all writings developed according to the blessing of Gauranga, flourished inside her. Really? So many things written. Countless things written by the writer. How possible? But they are writing, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya wrote that Baladev Rasa is there, 100%. Baladev Rasa. Even in Bhagavatam written, but they are writing, Baladev Rasa is not at all possible. Baladev Rasa is not at all possible. No. That means they are going against, Vyasadeva, right? When they are writing, Baladev Rasa is not possible, then surely they are going against. Openly, that Vasudeva Prabhu speaking to Sridhar Goswami Maharaj. Harinam we should chant secretly, not openly. Sridhar Maharaj giving some argument, where it is written. Still today they are not doing Sankit. Harinam they cannot do, loudly. To win the case, false case. To win the false case, our Bharati Maharaj speaking, to win the false case, they already were in false position. To win that case, they only wanted to shout Hare Krishna openly, in front of court. But actually they are against, still today. And those acharyas are going to subscribe them. Infinity period, Bhagavan cannot excuse them. Infinity period. Infinity period, Bhagavan cannot excuse them. Infinity period, Bhagavan cannot excuse them. Infinity period, they can get punishment. Let them do whatever they like. We allow them, do. Only you can project the absolute truth. Now it's up to you to accept it or not. Up to you. Just recently we published one discourse between Sridhar Maharaj, right? You can project it. Nice. Let people die. Let people commit suicide. What we can do? We have nothing to do. It is the result of those idiot people too. The result, final result. Prabhupada used to say many times, out of grievance, of prakriti grievance, Raja Pashati Karnabhyam Dhiya Pashanti Panditaha Pashavo Pashanti Graneno Ar Bhute Pashanti Barbara. Those were idiot number one. Their ultimate result is like that. Their fate is very bad. Those king, he is sitting in the throne in own helm, but taking information through all spy. What happened there? Oh, nice. King not traveling throughout the country. King Kaveri, running King is in the Helen. He engaged all spy, whatever happened. Taking information, after that, speaking. That means, Raja Pashyati Karnabhyam. Raja, king can see everything by hearing. Everything, by hearing. What is the status condition? And those Pandit, they try to realize in genuine Pandit, not ordinary Pandit, only Sanskrit knowledge. Those Panditas, whenever they, any situation, and you can realize everything inside. Oh, this is the condition. Yesterday, one idiot master wanted to joke with Torun Prabhu. Who wanted to speak this condition, somebody wanted to procure that, so suddenly. He is joking with me. Now you write in diary what his condition is going to meet. He joked that time, Torun. Torun said, there is a condition, if you can come forward to help, okay, we can buy one lottery ticket for, in the name of Baba. Bhagavan can play one lottery with you. He's joking. You see the condition. They are coming to observe. I say from today I cannot allow anybody to observe my Janam Tithi. I cannot allow. If allow, you go out from me. I know their love for me. I know their drama. I cannot allow. Somehow they, without asking me, do this year, from next year, I cannot allow you to observe my birthday. I cannot allow. No, go and show your respect in other way. I don't like. This is the condition. They are coming and playing kirtan and mridanga and now joking. The condition you see. Why they are coming in devotional field? Why? I don't know why they are coming. To destroy themselves. Coming in devotional field. Rascal. This way, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, he wanted to establish Suddha Bhakti, but that's why all against him. Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is the last disciple of Nityananda Prabhu. He had to suffer so much. He is the first man in the history of Bengali literature who wanted to write this way. So nice writing. All Leelas. So you see the humbleness of Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. If you like to know the then time condition of our Bengal, you can know all picture you can see. How people busy to arrange marriage with one sea-cat with he-cat, cat marriage, dog marriage, doll marriage, Vishwahari Puja. They are busy. Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is going to project all the picture of this Bengal, how we can orient. This way, by the order of Sriman Nityananda Prabhu, he started writing about Chaitanya Mangal. But later on, the name of the book was changed because Chaitanya Mangal Lochan Das Thakur, one devotee of Srila Vrindavan, one devotee of Sri Gauranga, he wrote Chaitanya Mangal. So, devotees, they thought, better to change this name, because confusion can be there. So devotees thought it's more practical to keep the name of the book Chaitanya Bhagavat. Really it is Bhagavat. And he himself is, Vyasavatara. Why not to put Chaitanya Bhagavat? From then onward, The name of the book was Chaitanya Bhagavat. Srila Sachidananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur many times told, it is more practical for you to read Chaitanya Bhagavat daily if you are interested to get bhakti. Even at present, don't touch Chaitanya Charitamrita, is very higher range. So better you can read daily. If not more, at least one page. But you cannot find your time to get bhakti. One page daily. With full respect, one page. To get bhakti, Amrita. So, people are so biased, so dangerous. Even they like to complain against Vrindavan Das Thakur. They say, there is no name of the father of Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. Father name. They didn't think it necessary to put this name. So what? They didn't think it necessary to put the name of Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, father. So, and even about mother, there is so scandal they are speaking. Is a niece of Srivas Pandit. I mean, the daughter of his brother. Srivas Pandit, his brother, his daughter is Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. Hey, daughter is Narayani Devi. And those idiots Sahajiya, to support their own illicit activities, illegal activities, they are going to complain, Gauranga giving, uchishta to that girl. They like to make some plot. You see, can you imagine? Can you imagine how much audacity? Can you imagine how much audacity? They like to complain, they like to make some plotting against Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Oh, Gauranga wanted to give some, to support their dirty heart. So, yes, it is right. Gauranga Mahaprabhu, he gave Uchishta plate to Narayani. Mahaprabhu speaking to Narayani, Narayani, in the name of Krishna Bhakti, you cry. Then immediately Narayani started crying in the name of Krishna Bhakti. So much treasure. Narayani rolling down on ground, small girl of 5 years, 4 years. So much Krishna Bhakti coming. Mahaprabhu speaking, Narayani, in the name of Krishna, prema you. Narayani started. The Uchishta of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, I mean the prasadam of Gauranga Mahaprabhu giving to Narayani, coming in the form of Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, from her womb. Follow. The Uchishta prasadam, Gauranga Mahaprabhu, his prasadam, Narayani taking, and that prasadam ultimately coming in the form of Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. What a great excellent. Our Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur wanted to request in front of the Chit Shakti of Jagannath, Bimala Devi. He praying Bimala Devi, the Chit Shakti of Jagannath. After that, Bimala Prasad Saraswati, who? Our Prabhupada coming. There is a condition. Let people pass any remark what they like. Let people pass whatever they like. Let them pass. If my Harikatha, my writing, not approved by my Gurudev or Guru Varga, then what I can do with the garland you would like to give to me? If my writing, my speech, my everything, if not approved by Balaram, Nityananda, or Guru Varga, what I can do is your garland you like to put on. Is one kind of punishment to me. Many such incidents happening. One day repeatedly, one devotee, devotee, what I can say anyway, you try to understand what I mean to say. I cannot say. He is a so-called disciple of Srila Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. He is now staying in Assam. In my whole life, I went to Assam one time, and I was bound to speak Harikatha in Assam so many times there, and in Kamakya Devi also I spoke, in the temple of Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, Govinda Mandir in Guwahati. So, anyway, he was there in Godrum. He respected me very much, he used to hear Harikatha, all dirty, condition, developed by he himself. He knowing that. He married one Russian girl, after that she left him, gone, due to some reason. That lady was very good lady. She used to hear Harikatha continue. At present where she is, I don't know. After that, he went gone to Assam, wearing red clothes, everything, and he becoming in charge of the temple. Now I know everything, what is the condition of his heart. Almost he is going to leave me, externally playing drama. He coming here, repeatedly ring Tarun Prabhu, I like to meet with Baba, and where I can meet, I am busy. So I thought, okay, when I can go to some place through Bhaktivinoda Thakur, there I can meet. I stopped there, Bhaktivinoda Thakur place. He already, Baba where? Baba coming, 10 minutes on. He buying one garland, he like to put on my neck. I say, stop, don't touch me. Your garland, you wear. I cannot give to me. I cannot accept garland. Baba, I know his condition. Pranami? No, I cannot take your pranami. You take back your pranami. Many such came in Bangladesh. They giving pranami. I know, I cannot take your pranami. No, Maharaj, no. I cannot take even a single price from me. One so-called disciple of Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, my online Harikatha going in Gosala, I know he is businessman, dirty businessman. He's coming, hearing I am speaking Harikatha, English Harikatha, he is not waiting, I am in hurry, I have to go away. He is giving so much fruits, one sack of fruits. Oh, much fruits. I come down, he said, this man came and giving these fruits, Immediately you take these fruits, all the packet, and go and give to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. I cannot use even a single fruit. Go and give. Not that people can give and I can accept. Not that. Not so easy. Not so easy. Many times it happens so. They bring me, I cannot take. Go back. I cannot take. Go back. So Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, about Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, these so-called devotees or so-called philosopher, they are speaking Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya, even not having the idea of Vaishnava efficacy. Otherwise, why are you speaking? I can kick on the head. What? He is speaking, speak. I can kick on the head of those who are not going to accept and realize Nityananda Charan, I can kick on their head. Huh? Kick? Even not he is a gentleman. Those who are speaking sweet word, killing people, they can be treated as gentlemen in the society. Nice Vaishnava, elevated, Goswami. How much, audacity. How much audacity you see. They like to get the title Goswami. Goswami, even they cannot maintain any purity of their mind, bed, everything. I like to get Goswami. I am Goswami. Hari Bab. How much audacity. How much audacity! Bhagavan cannot bear. Wait for some time more. Bhagavan cannot bear. See. So they are saying, Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj even has no idea about, they have no idea. Vaishnava etiquette, otherwise why he is going to speak, he can kick. And about Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, big philosopher, they are speaking. Oh my God! Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is speaking that I am more inferior than the insect found in the stool. Insect found in the stool, I am more inferior than that. A big philosopher, writer, he is going to identify himself this way. You see, condition. What is the utility? He is going to identify himself. His position, his condition is more inferior than the insect of the stool. So why should we discuss? And about Vrindavan, he is going to kick. We are going to kick. Huh? Kick on the head of how much audacity? Useless. But he is Vaishnava. But Prabhupada speaking, both of them, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, when expressing his humble attitude, Jagai madai hoite muishe papisto, purisher kit hoite muishe logisto, mor naam jei loy tar pap hoy, mor naam jei shune tar punno khay. এমন নিঘৃণ্য মরে কিবা কিবা করে এক নিত্যানন্দ বিনু জগৎ মাঝারে. And when Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj was speaking, এত পরিহারেও যে নিন্দা, যে পাপী নিন্দা করে, after giving so much document, so much argument, শাস্ত্রীয় বিচার, even after that, if they like to reject Nityananda, his absolute glorification, whereas Gauranga like to pay pranam unto a lotus feet of Nityananda, who can tolerate? Gauranga like to pay pranam unto a lotus feet of Nityananda. Their condition. So, they are speaking that Vrindavan Das Thakur Maharaj, he is speaking, I can kick, after giving so much documents, so much evidence, about the absolute ocean of prema inside the heart of Nityananda Balaram, who is all in all, who is the controller. Mahaprabhu himself told, Nityananda speaking, well, I have idea, Prabhu, I have been there in all the spots of pilgrimage throughout, South India. You please take me. You please take me. I can guide you. Gauranga, yes, I can take you. Right you are. You can spoil all my program. I know. You are controlling my life. You are making me dance. I know all the time. I can take you. It is joking word. Gauranga Mahaprabhu speaking, he is controlled by Nityananda. So Nityananda going in South India, Nityananda cannot allow Prabhu to suffer this much. And Prabhu like to suffer. He cannot allow. Like Jagadananda cannot tolerate Prabhu's lying on the ground. There is, Prabhu become very slim and all, bone friction with the ground. I like to make one mattress for you. Yes, mattress. Now you bring one man who can massage my leg also. And while I can be while. That's why I have taken sannyas. Right you are. That is the reason for why I have taken sannyas, to enjoy my life. In the name of Yukta Vairagya, naked dancing going on. In the name of Yukta Vairagya, naked dancing going on all over the world. Solemnly I say, solemnly. In the name of Yukta Vairagya, naked dancing going, naked. Very practical, Yukta Vairagya, na? Very good. Who can arrest me? Nobody can understand. Big Acharya. There are Abhishek going on. Brajavasi Matajis, with their hair, they are washing the leg of that Acharya. International. those Brajavasi Matajis, we are interested to take dust particle from their lotus feet. Whereas he is going to allow that Matajis to take their hair and wash the lotus feet. Practically everybody is there. I am not speaking any lie. I am not speaking any lie. I am speaking the fact. Still this idiot world cannot understand what is called bhakti. Let them die, let them go to hell. We are less interested. We have no time to discuss with them. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya and Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, Prabhupada speaking, both of them having same and unique absolute humbleness. That both though the way of expression of humbleness is a little bit different. Like somebody, many people, many so-called devotees used to pass remark, Srila Sachidananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur is a nice devotee, but he is used to enjoy life and very nice room, fan, used to do, meat, drink, meal. Whereas Gaurkishore Babaji Maharaj used to stay at the bank of Ganga without any support, nothing. So, the Vairagya of Vrindavan Das Thakur, so the Vairagya of Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji are more than Vrindavan, more than Bhaktivinoda Thakur. They are passing Nibbana. They are passing, come on, they are passing this kind of remark. Vairagya of Gaurkishore Babaji more than Bhaktivinoda used to sit in a nice room, nice, with fan going on, very chair, table, everything, writing. Vairagya was not, though both of them, okay, nice. They are speaking. Where Prabhupada speaking, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Sachidananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, both of them, if you search, in both of their inner core of heart, all same, harmonized completely. Both of their Vairagya is absolute Vairagya, though external expression of Vairagya mood, it will be a little bit different. What do you mean by Vairagya? What do you mean by Vairagya? Prabhupada wearing overcoat, wearing hat, turban, speaking English. So no Vairagya you think? You think no Vairagya? You think so? What do you mean by Vairagya? What is the meaning of Vairagya? What is the inner meaning of Vairagya, you know? Vairagya means, in Sanskrit or Bengali, if you split up this word, B plus rag, B-rag. B plus rag. Two words you can. B means vishesh, special, anurag, special attraction, attachment unto a lotus feet of that Parabrahma, Bhagavan. Absolute, vishesh attachment unto a lotus feet. That is called Virag, vishesh anurag. Without Bhagavan, I don't like anything. Or you can explain in other way, though in both the cases, meaning is all the same. B plus rag, mane bigato plus rag. Bigato mane all your material attachment, material attraction, everything gone from your life. Follow. Two way. One is this way you can use. You are developing so much spatial attraction and attachment at the lotus feet of Bhagavan, that without Bhagavan you cannot live. You are going to catch the lotus feet of Gurudev. I cannot leave your attachment. Or in other words, we can say bigato rag. Bigato rag means all material attachment, material attraction, whatever desire, all vanish from your life. Bigato, mane gone. When gone? When gone? Naturally. When gone mean? When you develop love problem, then it's possible. So, in both the way, you can speak. This is also, inner meaning is that you are going to lose all attachment, attraction for material life. What is the meaning? That means surely you develop and love and to lose Bhagavan, otherwise not possible. Or same meaning. Either you speak this way or you speak this way, all same meaning. So, about Bhaktivinoda Thakur, if you apply this formula, you can speak this way. Bhaktivinoda Thakur developed tremendous, unavoidable, irresistible love for Gauranga Radha. And for Gaurkishora Babaji, you can apply the second formula, Bigato Rag, no attachment. Even externally you can find in the life of Gaurkishora Babaji, sometimes he becomes disgusted. Hey, go! Disgusted. You can find even Gaurkishora Babaji Maharaj not doing, behavior is very bad. Externally you can find. But this is the symptom of his detachment. He cannot be a material. One snack, Baba, putting some rice, yesterday rice cannot spoil, putting in water, morning time or noon time with salt, he can apply salt, and sometimes some rice is extra, you put in water, it can cool your, you've never done, foolish. It's medicine, potassium develop. When you put rice, especially in summer season, that rice is cooked noontime 12 and you eat, and some rice you put in water and fresh, morning time you get potassium there. It develop potassium. Very nice. Medicine. So Baba keeping in a pot, a mud pot, rice kept, morning time cannot see properly. Where is the pot? He put and then one lady, young lady coming and shouting, Baba, one snack going away. Where is snack? Hey, just if the snack was going to bite you. You idiot, where from Mayadevi sending you? You Mayadevi, where from you are coming? I want snack, bite me. That's why I am searching where is snack. I want snack, bite me. What is the utility of my life? I could not do Hari Bhajan. If I cannot do Hari Bhajan, what is the use of my life? So I want snack, bite me and die. Oh, don't take that rice. Is a snack going through that way? The Baba speaking, you see the jugglery of Mayadevi. You see, Mayadevi Kandokhana degle. Mayadevi Kandokhana degle, the jugglery of Mayadevi. Go! Mayadevi can come different way. Oh Maharaj, I can take one picture with self-picture with you. A player speaking. Well, Meli lady, I cut and block that line and go up. I say, okay, I can take some water and come back. I say, this way you have to save yourself from Maya. He say, Maharaj, all around Maya. All around Maya. Big problem, how to save. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahaswaya enjoyed the full kippa of Jannava Mata, Jannava Thakurani. He went there in Kheturi Utsav, Kheturi Mahotsav. In the history of this world creation, Vaishnava history, that is the topmost festival arranged by Santosh Datta. Follow, there. In Kheturi, at present Bangladesh, Rajshahi. No, Rajshahi or what? They cross the... Anyway, so Kheturi, Utsav, big festival. There, all Vaishnavas from all where, from Vrindavan, from Puri, from Mayapur, from Santipur, where not, from everywhere, everybody was invited cordially. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya wanted to follow Jannava Thakurani. Oh, mother, you can take me with you. He's also going. All going there. Under the guidance and leadership, Acharyaship of Jannava Thakurani, so many deities were installed. Jannava Thakurani cook boga for deity. Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya was successful to get the full kippa of Nityananda Prabhu and his Shakti, Jannava Thakurani. What more we expect? Let those demons claim that Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is useless, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is useless, let them speak. What it concerns. But we are going to give fitting answer to them through Harikatha and writing. Anyway, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya is our most worshipable Guru Varga. We cannot forget him. We are getting so much Kripa from Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya. Today is Tirobhav Tithi. We have no idea about the Avirbhav Tithi of Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj. So nobody going to celebrate his Avirbhav Tithi. So what is the utility of observing one Avirbhav Tithi or Janam Tithi, birth ceremony of one bonded, ordinary? No need. Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj, Parsad of Bhagavan. So, Vrindavan Das Thakur Mahasaya Tirobhav Tithi today, so many things I wanted to say in Tirobhav Tithi. If the feeling of separation coming inside our heart, then our observation of this, Tithi is perfect. If no feeling, nothing, no touch, only hearing and, what is it? No use. So, if time permits, sometime I can speak more about this, So, Jasyasti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarva gunais tattva samasati suraha haru abhakta sakuto mahad gunaha manorathina asato dhavato buhi vancha kalpatarusike basindhu patitanang pavaram bhavishna bhyo namo.